In this video, I'll show you a new feature available in the part of solution, Power Platform solution to add to a solution. Now, what does this option indicate is that you now have an ability to add an item into a solution from a solution. Now, let me show you an action. So, how does this thing work? So, so let me go into one of the solutions. So I'm in make.powerapps.com. So I have this solution. So I have this solution named as Airlines Core Solution. Okay. Now, airline core solution, let's assume that this is your project. Okay, so this is your core solution for a project which has a lot of apps, a lot of tables, processes, web resources, fx expressions, etc. So you have created the solution, you have deployed the solution, everything is working fine in the production now, so you have released that build. Okay, now, after 6 months, now someone has suggested some changes to you. So now this has gone into maintenance, and if the maintenance staff needs to update this solution, they technically should not update this core solution. Okay, so they should create their own solution. So, take for example, now I'm supporting this application and I have some changes to be made. So, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to update this core solution. What I'll do, I will create a new solution and I will call this as Airline Maintenance 2025. I'll select whatever publisher I belong to. So let's assume I belong to Girish LLC. I'll create this solution. Okay, so now this is my maintenance solution. Now, any maintenance I do, if I add a new column or if I add a new table, I will be using this solution. Now for that, if I want to add something over here, what I will do is first I will go into the main or the core solution. So I'll go into the airline core solution and then I'll say, okay, this solution has so many tables, so many flows and all those things. And I want to operate on something. So take for example, if I want to update some flow. So if I want to update this file upload flow, I will not update directly from here. What I will do, I will first select, pick and choose the item. So this is one of the item I need to pick. So I'll click on this three dots, go to advanced, and now I have an option to add to a solution. So as you see over here, so let me show you this, add to solution. Now, this is a new feature which is currently in live. So I have an option to add this to a solution. Now, which solution? Now, the solution we have already created ahead of time, which is Airline Maintenance 2025. So that's why I created the solution beforehand. So you need to first create the solution beforehand and you click on Airline Maintenance 2025 and click on Save. So what will happen? This particular cloud flow will be added to that particular solution. Now let's pick up other things as well. Like now, if I want to make a change in this app as well. So let me click on this three dots, go to advanced, add to solution, and pick up Girish 2025 maintenance, airline maintenance 2025. Click on save. Then I will pick up, say, some table. So if I want to operate on airline table, then I will say, okay, let me pick up this table. So let me pick up airline table, go to advanced, and then add to solution, select airline maintenance 2025. Now we have added three items. Let me go into the function and let me add, say, some function as well. So I have created this function, so gtable expression. Let me go to advanced and then add to solution and click on airline maintenance solutions. Now with this functionality, what has happened is, like, if you are transitioning from your production to a maintenance thing, it is very easy to go into the core solution and then pick and choose whatever item you want. You need not add all the item from your core solution into that maintenance solution. So now if I go into the maintenance solution, airlines maintenance 2025, I should be able to see all this information added. So I can see the tables, I can see the page, I can see the component library, I can see the cloud flows, I can see the application. So it will add all this component. And further, you have an option to select a specific component. And if you want to see that, you want to add a required objects, or if you want to see the dependency or you see the solution layer, you can do that. But the goal of this entire engagement was to show you how to use the functionality under advanced to add to solution. And now from this solution, you can add into any other solution as well. So it is a nice little handy tool which has been provided by Microsoft for you to add the solution component to a solution. So you can add from one solution to another solution, and you can use it from that the target solution to any other target solution as well. So that's it, folks. This is all about this simple functionality, which is useful if you are transitioning from a production to a maintenance solution, and if you don't want to touch the core solution, and if you want to operate on an independent solution, make sure that you use this feature to transfer the component from one solution to another. Now remember, this is not moving solution, this is like just adding to the solution. Okay, so nothing get changed in the source solution, it will just get appended to the new solution only using this option. Thanks for watching.